Start.
So, good evening, all. This is Dr. S. Shekhar, founder and managing trustee of Star International Foundation for Research and Education. We welcome you all for the third day of 5 days online workshop on Foundation of Stock Market for Beginners. Now, the session was handed over to our resource person, Mr. Alauddin Basa, sir. Sir, welcome you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Thank you. Good evening to all. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Yesterday class we discussed a lot of things in fundamental analysis. So we just start from the that is a continuation of the yesterday class. After the class, anyone can find out the stocks by using the 5 ratios, based on the 5 ratios like PE ratio, EPS, ROE, ROCE, debt free. So debt free. So anyone can find out any stocks from yesterday or today. No one. So guys, what I am trying to convey to you all means at least try to do some. It's not a homework. At least try to do after the every session. If you have a time, it will take lunch hour or break hour or whatever it is. If you have a free time, you just work out these scenarios. Then only you can follow in this field because stock market field is very. We are not involved in our regular lifestyle or regular work style. So we need to allocate the time to do this kind of works, guys. Otherwise, after the 5 days, definitely you are not able to follow this kind of live sessions or any practical sessions. That's why I'm conveying to all. At least try to spend 10 to 15 minutes each and every day after finishing this session or morning session or afternoon session, whatever it is. So at least try to do some work regarding this workshop. Then only you can follow. Okay. Okay. Good evening. Okay. Thank you. Good evening to all. We start today technical sessions. Compare with the first section and second section. Today's session is more interactive, more interesting because we do the live chart analysis with help of all the participants. So I hope you are all cooperate with me. So okay, guys, let me start with the today's section. So first of all, what is meant by technical analysis? Okay, I repeat the same question. What kind of the persons are in stock market? I think there are two kinds of person. Anyone can repeat? Yesterday also I am asking the same question because very
Investor
important.
trader.
Investor trader. So yesterday we are only focusing on investor or trader.
Investor.
Okay, because the fundamental analysis is exclusive for investor for long-term perspective. But today we are going to discuss about trader purpose. The trader, it may be a 1 minute trader, 5 minute trader, a day trader, a weekly trader, monthly trader, or yearly trader, whatever it is. But the duration is very short compared with the investor. Okay, let's move on with the technical analysis. Okay, what is meant by technical analysis? Technical analysis is very simply said is find the data or predict the future based on the historical market. That's all. So you can find the value or find the or predict the not exactly say find. Exact word is predict, to predict the future value of particular product. It may be a real time also is it's possible. Similarly, in stock market, based on the historical data, we can predict the uh, particular stock price or share price. Okay. For example, in real time, we can embed with this example with the real time means, if for example, if coming the any festival season, the automatically gold price will increase. Okay, it may be maybe a 1 or 2 months. It should be based on the function. Uh, Automatically the gold price will be increased. Okay, so based on the demand or based on the supply, it will be decide the particular share price. Similarly, for all the products in our life cycle, it depends on only demand and supply. Okay, so this is the best example of technical analysis. So next one is how predict the future. Okay, so historical data is okay. The only we can find out the historical data to and get the or predict the future price of any stock or share market is only 50%. Remaining 50% is a combination of some statistical analysis, some technical basis, and main thing is as a human psychology basis, we can find out the or we can predict the price movement of the particular stock or particular share. So once 50% is historical data and remaining 50% is can combine the psychology, some statistical analysis plus some behavioral economics. So all this included in the particular scenario, we can predict the particular share price or particular stock price. This is the basic definition of technical analysis. Okay. Generally, we have a lot of types in technical analysis, but we can just find, yes. Okay. We can just filter out of many number of technical analysis. We can just filter only 3 types: chart patterns, candlesticks patterns, and the indicators. So out of these, out of 3 types, today we are going to discuss about only chart pattern. Okay, then you can simply ask why, sir? It may because both the 3 types are very good for to predicting the future price of stock, but comparatively, out of 3, indicator will give the 50 to 60% output. Candlesticks it may be give to 60 to 70%, but chart pattern will give to 70 to 80% is accuracy compared with the previous 2. So someone asked, sir, but then there is no possibilities to 100%. Not at all possible. No one can predict the 100% in stock market. Maybe a fresher or legend. No one can predict the 100% in stock market. Okay, it may be a probability. Okay, if I am analyzing 80%, means my friend analyzing is 90% and another person is analyzing 95%. But 100% is not at all possible. Okay, we are all human, so we are not predict. It's not possible to predict the 100% because even we are not predict our future in life. So in technical, you can use technical or fundamental or any patterns. We can predict up to 80 to 90%. Okay, so 80% is well and good. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about chart patterns only because candlesticks and indicators, they are good but not best. Okay, and especially in this scenario, I want to convey to my participants, please don't trade by using the indicators. Out of 100 members, for example, out of 100 members, 80% of the people can do the trade by using simply believing the indicators. So try to avoid, guys. The indicator only indicate the value, not confirm the value. Okay, I repeat once again, indicators only for indication, not for confirmation. Okay, but you can add the indicator, there is no issue, but it's like as an add-on value for your trade. It's just like a supportive term in your trade. Not you can, so you cannot trade based only on indicator. It's very, very important. But you can add 1 or 2 indicators for add-on value. There's no issue, but don't believe 100% in indicators. Okay. So candlesticks, as I'm not following the candlesticks. Okay. So we just skip the candlesticks. And chart pattern is well and good. In 14 to 15 years of experience, I'm following the all the 3 types of chart patterns. But my final conclusion is, till now, the chart pattern is well and good. Compare with the candlesticks and indicator. It is my point of view. It may be vary from person to person. Okay, someone can do the trade by using the candlesticks. and get the good return. Some members can trade by using indicators and get the good return. It's not a problem. But in my point of view, out of three scenario, chart pattern will give the good return. Okay, this is my point of view. Okay, final decision is yours, guys. Okay, okay. We'll move on to the chart patterns. Okay, before going to chart pattern, first you find out the trend of the market. This is the first step to entering in the stock market. Mean you are able to find out the trend of the market. Whether you are investor or trader, whatever it is, this is the basic steps like LKG and UKG in education. Okay, so this is the basic step of entering in the stock market as a trader or investor. Okay, so find out the trend of the market. In market has only three trends. One is upper trend, one is downtrend, another one is sideways, or sometimes it is called as range bound. Okay, we'll skip the terms range bound. So we have only three types of trend: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Okay, the uptrend will also follow, always follow as the higher high, higher high, higher high. That means it's a starting. For example, you consider the trade starts from here, it goes up to here, and just little bit comes down. It's called as a higher low. Again, it crosses the previous high is higher high. Again, it becomes low, higher low. Again, it goes to higher high and higher high, higher high is move on. It's called as uptrend. Similarly, in downtrend, is a higher, lower. Then again, we move on to the higher, but not cross in this level. Again, lower low, again lower high, and lower low. It is called as downtrend. So, compare with these two trends. This middle trend, the sideways trend is very difficult to most of the traders based on the trend analysis, because this sideways it goes up to up. It can be converted into uptrend or it can be converted into downtrend. So these sideways, when market entering the sideways, somewhat is difficult to predict. This side market will move on. Okay, I will show with one real-time example. Okay. Is visible on my chart for all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today is participants.
Yes, sir.
Today is the 100% participant involving seminar. So you are the person to answer me all the doubts. Okay. Anyone can tell the any stocks? Any stock?
Sun Pharma.
Sun Pharma. Okay, Sun Pharma. Okay, it's very good stock in pharma structure. Sun Pharma. Yes. Okay. Before going to this one, you can open the account with tradingview.com. It is a very useful website. You just Google it and go for tradingview.com. Okay. Just entering the tradingview.com. By using your Gmail ID, you can open the TradingView account. It is absolutely free. There is no cost for trading account. It's only for chart analysis. It's very useful platform to for the technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. So, if you want to analyze the chart pattern, you have only two platforms: TradingView and Investing.com. Compare with Investing.com, TradingView chart is well and good. You can choose any one among the platform. Okay. Okay. Now, this is Sun Pharma. This is Sun Pharma stock. You can select the any time period. Okay. The only condition is if you are selecting the time period until the trade is finished. Okay. If you are buy a product and sell the product, it is called a trading. To buy and sell, between the process of buy and sell, it is called as trading. Okay. Once you can start the buy and end with the sell, maybe a profit or maybe a loss. It is not an issue. Once you buy the product and sell the product, it is called as the trading. Once you till now you can complete this trade, you fix a common time frame, but you can select any time frame based on your choice. It may be 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it is. Choice is yours. But once you can select the time frame, you can stand with the particular time frame until you end of your trade. It is very important. Okay. Many people can mostly do the mistake in this point of view. I am selecting the 5 minutes, but once I start the trade, I just move on to the 15 minutes. I just move on to the 1 hour. Okay, it is not a correct way, guys. So you can select any time frame, but you should stand on the particular time frame until complete your trade. Are you clear? Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Again, participant choice. Anyone can tell me the time frame? Any time frame?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, go with the 5 minutes. 5 minutes for intraday trader. Okay, 5 minutes trader. So first one is okay. What is this? Anyone can predict? Market is uptrend or downtrend for today. For example, 25th. Okay, today Sun Pharma is uptrend or downtrend.
Downtrend.
Downtrend, sir.
Yes. How? I will show you how it will become downtrend means 25th 9:15 market will open. So I just from here it's a lower and again high, lower high, again lower, again lower, lower high, again lower. So from 9:15 to almost 2 o'clock, the market not able to break the previous high. This is the first high, second high, third high. So until 2 o'clock, the previous high in Sun Pharma is not able to break out. So it is called as downtrend. You just compare with the chart. Downtrend. Start with this one, lower low, not break in high, again lower low, again not able to break the high, again lower low. Similarly in chart. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. This is the downtrend of Sun Pharma in 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we move on to the any other stock. Any other stock?
Dr. Reddy.
Sir, Jaya Prakash.
Dr. Reddy. Okay. Tell me the time frame.
10
5
minutes.
minutes or
Any time
15
frame?
minutes?
10 minutes.
15 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes. I just add in 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes time frame. Okay. In Dr. Reddy, today, anyone predict what is the trend of Dr. Reddy in 10 minutes time frame today?
It's sideways, sir.
Not a
It is-
sideways. It's a
it
like
is upward.
open at 9:15, lower
It is
lower low,
downtrend and
lower
it breaks
high,
the
lower low.
Lower, okay, sir.
So until 1:45, 2 o'clock, market will be downtrend. You don't go with the after 2 o'clock because 2 to 3:30 is a huge volatility. So try to avoid. Actually, I forget the convey this message to you all guys. If you are intraday trader or a short-term trader, try to avoid the trade after 2 o'clock for intraday trader because 2 to 3:30 is almost the closing time. The volatility is huge. So try to avoid your trade or try to complete your trade before 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Okay. So we always start from 9:15 to 2 o'clock or 2:30. Market is lower downtrend. Okay. We just compare with the previous day. 23rd. What is the trend of Dr. Reddy from 2020 to 24?
uptrend.
Uptrend because it starts from this one, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So Dr. Reddy not able to break the previous low. So it is called as, this is the first low, second low, third low, fourth low. So it's Dr. Reddy is not able to break the previous lows. So the market always, it should be a higher high. So simply higher high means the market is uptrend. Lower low is simply market is downtrend. So this is a uptrend because it's not able to break the previous low. Correct? It is called as uptrend. Similarly, it is a downtrend. Because it is not able to break the previous high. Okay, it is called as downtrend. So this is the simplest way to decide whether market is uptrend or downtrend. Okay. Anyone can tell the another stock?
Sir,
Sir,
Jayaprakash.
BHEL.
Yes.
CDSL,
Jayaprakash.
sir. Sir, BHEL.
Bell. BHEL.
CDSL.
Bharat Heavy Electronics. Okay, good. Okay, time frame.
Sir, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Sir, anyone? 10 minutes. These are okay. 10 minutes. Okay.
1 month, sir.
Again 10 minutes. Again 10 minutes. All are interested in only short term product. No one can interested in
Let's
long
go
term.
for 1
Okay.
month, sir.
So in 10 minutes time frame, from 12 to there is a no trend up to 12 o'clock. After 12, the market will convert as what kind of market?
Sideways.
Yeah, it is a sideways market or range bound market. Whether the market not able to break at any side, not even break from uptrend or downtrend. Market not able to break this side or this side. Market will close at 3:30 regularly. So the bell today, as per the today trade in bell, is a sideways market. So 99% in sideways market, try to avoid the market. So once you predict market is uptrend, go with buy. If market is downtrend, go with the sell. But try to avoid the market is sideways. Okay. We'll move on to higher time frame. We'll move on to the daily time frame. Yeah, it's a very good chart in bell. Okay. You can see it's a clear, very, very clear sideways. From May month to September month, the long candle, I think, is a result of our June 4, parliament election. So ignore this candle because once news-based candles are, we are not calculated. So June 4th is the parliament election result date. So ignore the this candle. Apart from this candle, you can see the market will always act as the what kind of market?
Sideways.
Sideways.
It's a 100% sideways. There is a no break in either upper side or downside. At September 6th only, it can break the downside. Okay. I hope you are all very clear in uptrend market, downtrend market, and sideways market. Okay. Let's move on to the yeah. This is a very simple example of uptrend. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. You can just forget that blue line. Okay, we'll discuss in later. Okay, this is a clear upper trend, and this is a clear lower trend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower. This is a downtrend, and this is the no trend or sideways market. Okay. Okay. So next, are you clear? All of you clear in trend,
Yes,
market
sir.
trend?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Yes,
next we'll
sir.
move on to the okay. Once you have some experience in technical analysis, you move on to the this strategy. Till now, we know only three kinds of trend in market: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways for freshers. But you get the experience 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, you just find out or give your full effort to analyze in these 4 phases. First one is accumulation, second one is advancing, third one is distribution, fourth one is declining. But if you are in fresher, you just ignore this slide. If you are experienced person, you just go through the these 4 phases of the market. Okay, because in this slide, it's not only for freshers; it's only for who are involved in 3 months or 6 months in the market. They know what is uptrend or downtrend. Then only can they realize which this one is accumulation, advancing, distribution, and decline. Okay. Don't worry about these 4 kinds of phases. If we have time, then we will discuss in later. Okay. The first, after uptrend and downtrend, second phase of the technical analysis, very, very, very important. That technical aspect is called as support and resistance. Okay. Without support and resistance, you can't a single trade as a technical trader. Okay. In technical analysis, in chart pattern, without support and resistance, you can't a proper trading. You can trade, but it's the proper one means it is not. Okay. If you want a proper trade, you must know what is meant by support, what is meant by resistance. Okay. What is meant by support? Support is nothing. It and support and resistance are mainly depends on the, are mainly focused on the which time frame you are going to take. It is very, very important. Okay. If you are taking the 5 minutes time frame, you can find out the support resistance previous day, 1 day candle. If you are selecting the day time frame, you can compare 1 week time frame of the previous week of the candles in the chart. If you are selecting the weekly or if you are selecting the monthly now, you can assign that kind of time frame to draw the support and resistance. Okay. Let me explain with the example. There is no issue. Similarly, in resistance also, you can select support and resistance based on time frame only. Okay. Second point, support is always should be in demand zone. That is least point. Once your support is whether your support is indicated or whether support is draw in this chart means it indicate the market going to up level. 80% is possible. Similarly, resistance. Once the resistance is returned to the from resistance, it may be a breakout, but it's not able to break out means the market will go on to the downside. It depends upon some others supporting criteria like indicators or any other some technical charts. By using this, we can find out there's no issue. But first, support means you can draw the line at the bottom of the chart, and resistance means you can draw the top of the chart. Very simply, I'm saying. I repeat once again. In support, just to draw the line at the bottom of the chart. In resistance, you can draw the line at the top of the chart. Okay. Let me go with an example. Before that, I just show the support and resistance. So using this chart, this one is act as the resistance. This one is act as the support. Okay. Once the support is break, market move on to the heavy fall. Similarly, in resistance is break, market will move on to the upside. Okay. Let's go with one real-time example. I will show with a great example of support and resistance. And another very important point. First, in day first class, I convey some 3 points. It's very, very important points. So who are entering in this stock market, they require the 3 kinds of criteria. Anyone can say what are the 3 criteria? Third one is money. You just ignore it. What is the first one, second one?
Knowledge.
Okay.
Very good. First one is knowledge. Second? Very, very important one. What is the second one?
Experience.
First one is knowledge. No, ma'am. First one is knowledge. Third one is money.
Requirement.
What kind of requirement? We need 3 kinds of requirement. First one is, yes, very mindset and passion. Mindset and passion will play the vital role in our life cycle as well as the stock market. So you don't forget the terms mindset and passion. Okay. Let me see the very best example of passion. Okay. I will move on to the SBI at monthly candle. Okay, this is the monthly candle. Okay, you just see from 2009, just a minute, from 2009 to 2021. How many years? How many years, guys?
12 years.
From 2009 to 2021. Almost 10 to 12 years, correct?
12 years.
Yeah, 12 years. The 12 years in stock market, the SBI stock will act as what kind of trend? Uptrend,
Sideways.
downtrend, or sideways? Yeah, sideways. So you should wait 12 years. So this is the support and this is the resistance. For our convenience, I always, for my convenience, I draw as a resistance as green color and the support is red color. You can select any color, but for my convenient, always I draw a support as the red color and resistance is the green color. Okay, so you can wait from nearly 12 years. After 12 years, the support is the support and this is the resistance. Once the resistance is break at 2021 February month, from these 11 years, the market will return how many percentage? Anyone?
141%.
141% out in from 12 years, almost 10 to 12 years. Okay, but what is the price of your passion is after 12 years for the great passion, you can buy this SBI in after the breakout, that is after 12 years, from 21 to 24. How many years?
3 years.
Just 3 years. You get how many percentage?
150.
Yeah. Yes. This is the a real price of the passion. So you should wait. Passion is the play the vital role in stock market. Most of the peoples are failed in stock market. They don't have a passion. Today investing the 10 lakhs, tomorrow morning it will become the 20 lakhs. How it is possible? It's a gambling. So it is not at all possible. So passion will play the vital role. That's why I'm repeating the same thing. It's very, very important. Okay. Okay. This is the support and this is the resistance for monthly. Okay. Okay, guys. You can say any stocks. We'll find out some of the example of support and resistance. Any stocks?
ITC.
ITC. Okay. Time frame.
10 minutes.
Sorry, just avoid the intraday. Try to hour, 1 hour, daily, weekly. It may be useful for all the participants.
1 month, sir.
1 week.
Okay. 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 From 1 month, at least you can refer 3 to 4 years. Okay. We'll move on to the. Okay. We'll move. First, we can move on from 2016 to 2021 for 5 years. Okay, you imagine we are in 2021. As ma'am said, is the monthly candle, so we can refer previous 5 years or 4 years chart. Anyone can draw the support and resistance, or anyone can say the value of support and resistance from 16 to 21.
Resistance. 360.
Yeah.
360 resistance.
Okay, resistance I can draw in top or bottom.
Top.
Top. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. So from 2016 February to 2021 October, out of these 5 years, this candles are represented as the monthly candle. Out of these 5 years, this candle is the highest value. Correct. What is the highest value? 367.
360.
Correct.
360
So
plus.
this is the
360 plus.
Okay. This is the resistance. Okay. Which one is support? From out
Bottom
of these 5
160.
years, March 2020 is the least value. Correct.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of March 2020? Low value?
140.
134. Sir, always
134.
values here. Okay. I will show you again. You can just see the values: open, high, low, and close. I just put the cursor in 2020. What is the lowest value?
110.
134. 134. Okay, so I draw this line in bottom in red color. Okay, so what's the value of support? You can see here in red color.
135.
135. What is the support? Sorry, what is the resistance?
367.
Yeah. This is the example of how to draw the support and resistance in chart. I'm drawing these support resistance in monthly time frame. Okay. Anyone refer another stock quickly?
Tata Power.
Tata Motor.
Power. Tata Power. Yes, sir. It's on paper. It's a Tata Power. There is no monthly candle, so we can move on daily or weekly. Daily.
Daily.
Weekly, sir.
I think the issue in Tata Power. Okay.
So this is Tata Power.
Yes. Yes, Tata Power or daily. Okay, I just clear the drawing. Okay, I'm selecting the daily time frame. Okay, so daily time frame means at least you can compare with the 1 month to 3 months. You can compare with the previous chart of 1 to 3 months. Okay, we'll move on to 3 months. Okay, this is the October month. So I just put on this. This is October live market. Sorry. This is the October. 3 months back means October, September, August, July. Okay, there is a July. Yes. Okay. From 3 months, you can draw the support and resistance. Where you can draw the support and where you draw the resistance. Anyone?
470 is resistant.
So this is the resistance, correct? It changes the green color, and this is the support.
Support.
Correct? Correct. Okay. Now I can draw this diagram for my convenient purpose. Now you can identify Tata Power is uptrend, downtrend, or sideways.
Sideways.
Uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. Any other?
Sideways, sir.
Uptrend.
Sideways.
Yeah, obviously. Yes, simply they can say it's a sideways. So as a beginner of trader, I can wait. Once they break 468 or 470, I think about my buy in Tata Motors. This is the resistance. Once it break at 4 is the resistance. Once it break 471 above in daily time frame, I think about buy in Tata Power. Clear? Say something, guys, whether yes or no.
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the simplest way to draw the support and resistance in your technical analysis. The first thing is you first decide which time frame. Based on the time frame, you can fix the duration. After they fix the duration, you can draw the support and resistance. These black lines are just for your convenient purpose only. I can draw this 2 line. There is a once you are the experienced person, you just delete this diagram, delete this lines. Okay, clear.
Clear.
The last stocks, Tata Motors, because sorry, sir, tell me the time frame, sir. Hello.
Sir, month.
A month. Okay. We'll move on to the month. We clear the charts. Okay, a month. So a month means minimum you can backtrack up to minimum 1 year to 3 years. Okay. I will move on to the 3 years chart. So we are in 2024. So I can start from 2021. Where is the 2021? 2021 January from current. This is the 3 years data. Correct. So now I can draw the support and resistance. So this is the resistance and this is the
Support.
this is 2021. So this is the support. Support I represent in red color. Resistance I represent in. Okay. Once we can draw the support resistance, you can find out Tata Motor is what kind of trend? Uptrend, lower trend, this is downtrend or sideways?
Uptrend.
Uptrend, sir.
Okay, uptrend. Okay, uptrend in as per this.
Uptrend.
as per
After
this
2023 only.
analysis, yeah, as per this analysis, all of you say this is the uptrend. But once you can move to some extent, okay, I will explain. This is the clear uptrend. There is no issue. Higher high, higher high, higher high. But what happened here is a monthly candle. Okay. What happened here is, I will show you. From March 2024 to from March 24 to January 25, it will act as sideways.
Sideways.
How it is? Yeah. How to convert this is a monthly candle. You can convert as weekly. Now it clearly shows what kind of market it is.
Sideways.
Yes, sir.
You
Sideways.
got it, guys? Even though you can go with the daily.
Sideways.
Now clearly in sideways. So this analysis, how it will pick means, once you know this kind of 4 kinds of analysis, you can easily find out, because this is the lower format. Most of the traders will be in accumulation phase. Once the market is increased, again they can ready to distribution phase. Once the distribution phase is finished, they can start to sell the stock. So these kinds of informations are happening in Tata Motors. Okay. So from higher high, it move on. Now it should be in, already its advancing is finished. Now it should be in distribution phase. Tata Motor in distribution phase. Once it's break, once it breaks in monthly 880. Okay, once it breaks the 880, Tata market maybe big downfall will expect. Okay, so 50-50. I'm not sure. Even if break in upside, this higher high it will continue means Tata Motors will move on to the 2,000 rupees. Definitely it will move on 2,000, but no one can predict how long it will take. It may be 1 year or 2 years. Okay, but in my at this point, Tata Motor is not recommended to buy. You can just wait whether it's 880 is below is closed at monthly, or it breaks 1162 at monthly. This is very, very important. From 880 to 1160, the Tata Motors act as the sideways. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Clear.
So each and every analysis in every stocks, it will be take more carefully, guys. Sometimes we are simply analysis and take the trade. After taking the trade, only we realize, oh, this is kind of informations are hide in this chart. Okay, so you just read out the charts very clearly. Be patient. After that, you can decide whether it's going to take this stock trade or not. Very, very important. Okay, next we'll move on to the another one. Sorry. Next one is, this is the third step. First step is trend analysis. Second one is support and resistance, and third one is trend analysis. Trend analysis also very simple, like trend of market. We have only 3 types of trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Okay. Yeah. Before that, most of the traders to take the trade by using the trend line. I will show you. Most of the traders. Okay, just a minute. I will take the film. Yeah, most of the traders will take the. This is the uptrend and this is the downtrend. Okay. In uptrend market is like goes on. In downtrend market is like goes on. Most of the trader regularly buy at this junction. This is the first buy, second buy, and this is the third buy. Once it's break, they are exit. But it's a normal method. Similarly in sell, most of the trader can do these kinds of trade. But in my point of view, in my style, I'm not doing this kind of trade. Okay, instead of that, I can do in opposite trade. That means again the passion will play the vital role. I will show you how in trade in trend line. So is the uptrend or downtrend?
Downtrend.
First one is
Downtrend.
uptrend or downtrend, guys? Downtrend. Okay. So most of the traders, first one sell, here second sell, here third sell, here fourth sell, here stop loss hit. Most of the persons will exit here. Okay. This is the normal trader will do. But instead of that, I will wait to break this trend line. Here there's no breakout, no breakout, no breakout. Here break it. So once it breaks, I go for buy. My stop loss is this one. So once I can buy in this junction, my target is first resistance. I can book my profit from here to here. This is the correct method to trade by using the trend line. I go with this is the first one. I go with another one. You can zoom it, it can be useful for you. Yeah. From this one, this is the first buy, second buy, third buy, fourth buy. Here, fifth one is breakout the market. I'm not to take the trade from here, here, and here, and here. I'm just wait for the breakout. Once it breaks, I put the stop losses here, and I sell the stocks. Once I sell it, my target is first support. If I am buy, my target is first resistance. If I am sell the stock, my first support, my first target is the previous support. So this is the method, correct method to trade by using the trend line. But most of the people, they are doing the trend like that, they are buy like that. But it is not a good approach. Once it breaks, the huge downfall may occur. You can get the profit within short period by using this method. Okay. We'll move on to the real-time chart. Guys, anyone tell the another stock? Any stocks?
Sun Network.
Nestle.
Sun Network. Yeah, ma'am. Will do. Sun Network. Time frame?
1 month.
1 month.
Sir, 1 month. Okay. Okay. So 1 month, I just draw the trend line. What kind of trend is one? Downtrend or uptrend?
Uptrend.
Uptrend. Okay, good. This is the uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Good. In this trend line, most of the peoples are going to buy at the edge of the trend line. I will show you. This is 1. This is 2. Maybe it goes to 3. Who knows? So here 3. Maybe it goes up and goes 4. So I will wait until it breaks. When it breaks here, I go for the my trade. What is my target? This
Previous
is
support.
my target. This is my target. nearly 20%. 20% profit. Within a short period, the 20% will be achieved. But you should wait. We don't know how to break, when we'll break this trend line. But we need to wait. We need to wait. Okay. This is the best example. I will show this same chart. Yes. This is a great trend line. Okay. What will happen once it breaks? It breaks.
Market will go to uptrend.
Uptrend. How many candles? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Within 10 months, the target is achieved. How many percentage? It's very, very important. 51%. How many months? 10 months. You can round up as the 1 year. Within a year, 50% it will give the return, guys. You are putting the money in bank, just they are getting 5% or 6%. I think maximum 8%. But you need to wait from 18 to 20. You just wait for 2 years. Again, I'm saying passion will play the vital role in stock. It's a long time for monthly. You can convert us daily. Okay, I think madam said Nestle. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Nestle. Yes. Yeah. Nestle India. I'll go with a daily time frame. Yeah. Somewhat is a trend line, but it's not an exact trend line. We'll go for any other time frame. Yeah, this is a very good time frame. So here, so 1, 2, 3, we break on 4. So here I will take the buy, and this is my first target. Okay, even though if you go for this is my second target, and this is my final target. The final target exactly match with previous resistance. So this is the exact for previous resistance is the final target. Above one is it is not my money. You just skip it. Okay. It is not able to follow each and every profit. My first profit is this one. This is almost in a day candle. So 3% is a huge one. Second target is nearly 5%, and third target is 7%. As a daily time frame, the 7% it's a huge return. You can find the number of days. Okay, just 68 from this one to this one. This from buying level to achieving the target level. How many days? You can just find out from here to here. Just to 37 days. 37 days means almost 1.5 months. Okay. Within a 1.5 months, you get the 6% is a huge return, guys. You can round up, even you can round up as 2 months. 2 months, 6% means it's a huge return. So every month, 3% means yearly more than 35%. So this is very, very important. So I hope trend line is clear for all of you. Okay, something else?
Yes,
Sir, sir, I'm unable to understand, sir. Can you please repeat again, sir?
Which ones are trend line, or where we go to buy and where we go to sell?
Where we got to buy and where we go.
Yeah, okay. Just you always in trend line only, you always think about opposite trade, opposite side trade. Okay, let's show with on this example quickly. Okay, this one is uptrend or downtrend, sir? First one.
Downtrend, sir.
Downtrend. So everyone are going to sell the stock whenever it reaches the trend line. So it's a sell on first time, sell on second time, sell on third time, sell on fourth time. Once fourth time the trend line will break, you can exit. Correct. But instead of that, you can wait for the sell trend break. Where it will be break? In this fourth one, it will break the trend line. Correct. So once instead of the sell, you are going to buy because the trend line is breakout. Once you can breakout will happen in downtrend, you can buy the stock. Once you buy the stock, the previous resistance is your target, first target. This is sorry. Yes, this is the first target. Okay, this is the second target. Like that, you can fix the target. Similarly, in upside market, most of the people buy following by the trend line. This is the first buy, second buy, third buy, and fourth buy. But in my point of view, I just wait for breakout this trend line. Once here breakout, I fix the stop line as the trend line, and I can take this sell and fix my profit in previous support. You can just apply in the same scenario in this Nestle stocks. Okay, I will show you very quickly. So this is the trend line. Okay, this is the first sell, second sell, third sell, and fourth sell. Fourth sell is stop loss will occur because the trend line will be break. Are you clear, sir? Now you are going to buy the stock once it break the trend line. Now I'm going to buy this stock. Buy this stock. Okay, buy this point. Okay. Once I buy this point, what is my target? Is the previous one. Which one is previous? The third
one.
Point is my target previous resistance. So I just click this previous mark with the previous resistance and book the target. So from here to here, first target, second one is second target, and the last one is final target. You can book in first target or second target, third target. It is up to your wish. My recommendation is always book in first target. So you can book the first target. How many days it will take? You can buy this point of view. The first target hit itself. How many days?
13
How many days?
days.
13
No,
days.
ma'am.
13 days, sir.
No. Here you can buy this candle itself. Target is hit. Now you can. How many days?
8 days.
8 days.
Just 8 days. Target one will be achieved. That means 3.25% you get the return within 8 days. It's very, very important. Within 8 days, you get the return of 3.25. If move on to the second target, where it is achieved, yes. In 13 days, you get the 5%. And finally, in first target, within 30 days, that is 1 month, within a month, you get the 7%. You just calculate it. Every month, 7% means nearly 80% in per year. But it's not possible in every trade for assumption. That's why I'm repeating. You compare with the bank's interest or gold or real estate. Stock market always give the decent return. I'm not talking about huge return. It gives the decent return, but you should have a proper knowledge, proper mindset and passion. Third one is money management. Okay. So now clear, sir?
So when we're drawing the resistance line and when we check the highest sale, and we are comparing the same once the bull trend hits again. That is
Yes, sir.
buying
You
signal
just,
crosses
sir,
the resistance line.
sir, you just first simply draw the trend line, sir, for any stocks. Okay. You just draw the trend line. It's very clear. You just wait to break out for the trend. So you wait from April 24 to June 24 for your waiting period. Once it breaks at 2024 on June 5th, you're going to buy on 6th June at 2026. Okay. You can fix the target of previous resistance. Just mark it. This is the previous resistance. And once you can buy here, just book the profit, sir. Very simple.
Okay, sir. Now I understood, sir.
Sir, as a newcomer in the stock market, how can we understand that where is the breaking point and sir,
Yeah,
you
first
said
you
like
should.
the target means like getting the profit.
Sorry, can you repeat?
You have told me that it is the first target, second target. Target means like getting the returns back, like what we have invested, profit.
Yes, ma'am. If you're investing, for example, let me show. For example, you are buying the Nestle in this junction. What is the price of Nestle? 2,450. You can book the profit at 2,550. So each and every single stock you get 100 rupees in first target. If you are move on to the second target, each and every stock you get 134 rupees. And if you get the third target, each and every stock you get 450 to 640 means 190 points profit.
So, sir, it's
190
not
rupees
like
profit.
intraday. We have to wait for weeks or month for this, right, sir? For
No,
getting...
based on your time frame. This is not
Okay.
intraday because you are selecting this time frame.
Okay,
You can
okay,
see this.
okay, sir. Okay, okay, fine.
This is a daily time frame. So you based on the daily time frame, you can fix the target and fix the stop loss.
And sir, that break point, like you have told, this is the break point. Can you please explain how to, as a fresher, how can we know where is the break
Yes, ma'am. Break point in trend line. First, you draw the trend line. This is the trend line. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
This is the trend line. This is the first time it will touch in the trend line. This is the second time the touch in trend line. This is the third time, and this is the fourth time. But what will happen in fourth time? It will break the trend line. Are you correct? Are you see the trend line means?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, first time it will not break. It then goes to down. Second time it touch and again goes to down. Third time again it goes to down. But fourth time it will break. Now we are going to buy at this junction. Second one, after buying you can fix the target. The third point is your first target. Second point is your second target. And the first one is final target. Clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll finish up to support and resistance, trend analysis, and third one is very, very important. It's a brother of trend line is called as channel. Channel is in trend line. How many lines drawing in a single chart? In trend line, how many lines we draw in a single chart? One line, correct?
One line, sir.
One line.
One line is, yes.
One line. In channel, we'll cover the two lines. It is called as the channel. This is the channel. This is a bullish channel. This is the bearish channel. This is the sideways channel or horizontal channel. Let me see the example. This is downtrend or uptrend? First one.
Downtrend.
Downtrend. So the high, low,
Downtrend.
high, low, high, low.
Bearish.
So bearish, correct. Because how many trend lines are there? In top one and bottom level one. Correct. So if we have a two trend lines, it is called as this channel. Very simply, you can understand. So first, there is a two trend lines in a chart means it is called as the channel. So once it breaks the channel, whether upside or downside, you will take the trade. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move on with an example. You can see the same Nestle example. I just cleared this diagram. You can select the channel here. Yes, it's a parallel channel. So all the tools are available in the left-hand side. You can just refer it. You regularly use. You can easily pick all the tools. Okay, first parallel channel. You can draw the trend line. Similarly, you can draw it. That's all. So this is one for in resistance. This is one in support. This is two in resistance, three in resistance, two in support, and here four in resistance, and it will break here. So I'm going to buy same kind of. There is a no trade between this channel. Okay. Some of the guys are very eagerly go to the trade between this channel. It's a very highly risk. Here they sell the stock, here buy the stock, again here sell the stock, and again here buy the stock. It is not a correct way to trade using the channel. You should wait until the channel will break. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. We'll see on any other stock. Can you tell anyone stock?
Wipro.
Oh, just all the drawings. First, we identify whether channel will come or not. Okay. We are not guest or we are not expert. A channel and trend lines are formed for all the stocks. Okay. We will find out whether its channel is occur or not. Okay. I hope this is the channel. Not exact channel. So we'll just skip it. Okay. So you can backtrack. So backtrack is the best practice in stock market. Okay. We can find out the channel. Now, anyone can explain. This is the channel. Okay. This one is for support or resistance.
Resistant.
Resistance.
Okay, this one. And this one,
Support.
Support.
this one,
Resistant 2.
this one,
3
Resistance 3.
resistant.
this one,
2 support.
this one,
3 support.
and this one,
4 resistant.
and this one.
Breakout. 4th support.
Yeah. This one is breakout. Now you are going to this trade at this junction. Okay. Your first target is this one. Once you are going to sell, here, once the breakout point, your first target is previous support. What is your expected return? 3%. 3%. How many days it will take to get the 3%? Within 13 days. Within 13 days, you get 2.62%, almost 3%. In 13 days, it is a good return. If you are wait for the second target, in up to the second support, your profit is 4.7%. Or if you are going to final target, then you get 9%. How many days?
35 days.
35.
Yeah, 35 days means almost nearly 1 month. Within a month, 9%, 8.98 means 9%. So 9% for within a 40 days or 35 days is very good return. But you should wait from 2023 April to 2000 September, 23 September, almost April, May, June, July, August, nearly 6 to 7 months. Okay. The price of
Sir, I have
the
another
fraction
doubt,
of 6
sir.
months. Yes, sir.
Sir, if the decline, I mean, if we target the first resistance and if we gain the return as 8.98% in 35 days, and it is shown in negative, and that is in red color, then previously you shown the same kind of profit in blue color. So then what does it indicate, sir?
No. That means in stocks, you are not able to sell in long position. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss this point of view, futures and options, etc. In stock market, in normal stocks, you are going to buy only. You are not able to sell the stocks per position. Even you can sell the stock morning, you can again buy the stock at the end of the evening. The intraday is allowed by the NSE and BSE. But in regular trade, that is a position trade, you are not able to sell the stocks. That's why it's a sell and buy. It is in blue color, it's a buy to sell. Okay. In red color, you can sell the stock and buy the that is book the profit. is the buy and sell, and second one is sell and buy. Hello. Sir, are you able to
Okay, so
understand?
that is blue box is meant for buying for the purpose of selling, and the red indicates the selling for the purpose of buying.
Yes, but in selling purpose of buy is not possible for position trade in equity. In
Okay, sir.
equity is not possible, sir. If it is possible only in intraday. For example, in Wipro stock, I am able to buy today and sell tomorrow, or I can sell day after tomorrow. Even 10 years after, I can sell the Wipro stock. But it's not possible to today sell the Wipro stock. Tomorrow, I'm not able to buy the Wipro stock. It is only possible morning I can sell the Wipro stock, means within 3:30 or within 3:15, I'm going to buy the stocks. So sell and buy is not possible in position for the equities.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts in channel?
No, sir.
Sir, if you don't have the stocks in hand during the fourth breakout, how can you sell it?
Can you repeat, sir?
If you don't have the stocks already bought during the fourth support,
Breakout.
how can you sell it? Like for
Yeah,
a long
that's what I'm telling.
period.
In intraday, you can sell the stock without you having stocks. This is the concept of sell and buy.
So you can only do intraday for selling.
Yeah, only
During
you can
that
do the intraday for sell and buy the stock. You are not able to take as the position.
Okay, sir.
Clear, sir?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Any other doubts in channel?
Yes, sir. Sir, will historical data analysis will help in analyzing the support assessment? Will that be useful?
Sir, the voice is not audible. Should be somewhat should be louder.
Sir, he generally analyzes historical data, right? For
Okay.
technical analysis. Will that be useful? It repeats every time, or it is only mixed? Just wanted to know.
No, sir. Historical data means historical chart will always useful to find out the or predict the technical analysis. So these data are called as the historical data. It may be represented in chart pattern, but these are all the historical data. So these are all are the historical data. For example, I can put the cursor here. May 2023 at the May month of 22, the price of the Wipro chart is 386 rupees. This is the historical data.
Yes, sir. My question is, say for example, I'm taking a record for 10 years. Say for example, 2001 to 2010. Will the things repeat from 2011 to 20? That is what my question is.
Yes, almost the market, this history will repeat itself. That's why I'm telling in SBI, more than 12 years, the data will repeat same point of view. I will show you once again in monthly candle. So you can see the exact what you asked from 2010 to 2021, almost 12 years. The data will repeat the same value. Here the value is, I'll show you. Just a minute. The value of here is 355, 357, and here 144. Again nearby 361. Again 144. Again 357. Again 357. Here again 144. The data will repeat from 10 to 11 years. After that only it will be break and move on to the higher level.
So it breaks the resistance and it keeps moving.
Yes, sir. So you should wait because we'll choose monthly candle. So you should wait more than 5 years or 10 years. If you are choosing the lower time frame, you can based on this lower time frame, you can fix the support and this.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So any doubts in trend and channel?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Before going to next analysis, because it is a very interesting one, so we'll go on to this one. Okay. The first day itself, I told a proper utilization example is my example is, or my role model is MS Dhoni. So he's always waiting for the correct opportunity. If opportunity will come, he can properly utilize the particular opportunity. It's a very important one. So passion is not only the issue, you can utilize the proper opportunity. This is the best example of, that's why I'm taking this screenshot. Out of 11 sectors, total 11 sectors in stock market, out of 11 sectors in the stock market, these 5 stars is very famous. FMCG, that is fast moving consumer goods, banking, pharma, automobile, IT. These are the top brands in these sectors. Okay, you can just imagine, or you can just pick any one stock from one sector out of this one. You can compare with 2020 and 2024. Within 4 years, you just you can't imagine how many times it will give the return. That's why I'm taking this chart exclusive for you guys. You can first pick in FMCG. You can select any one stock from FMCG. First one is Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Britannia, Dabur. Anyone?
Dabur.
Dabur. Let's move on to these stocks. Go with Dabur. Select as monthly candle and then move on to the 2020 March month. Just exactly Corona happened at Corona was happened at March 2021. Yes. And now 2024 September. Okay. What is the price of Dabur at 2020 March? Anyone?
422.
422. Good. What is the current price of Dabur?
679.
627. Within 4.
Hmm.
679. Oh, okay. Okay, whatever it is. 629. Okay. No problem. So 629. No, sir. Is 671. Okay. Okay, whatever it is. From 422 to 671. How many percentage?
60%.
Yeah. How many percentage? Almost 60%. Okay. So I note it down in pain. So first one is 60% profit. Okay. First one. Okay. Anyone can select one bank stock out of this 5.
ICICI.
SDFC, Kotak, SBI, ICICI.
ICICI.
ICICI. Okay. Back to the ICICI. ICICI. Okay. ICICI. 2021 March. Yes. And September 2024. So this is the time duration. So price of 2021. What's the price?
534.
What's the current price?
1351.
1351. How many percentage?
151.
Second one is 150%. Okay. Third one, pharma industry, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, like that. Anyone?
Lupin.
Lupin.
Okay.
Lupin.
Okay. Lupin. Sorry. Lupin from 2021 March to September 2024. The price of current. And this is the price for 20, the lowest price of 20. 591 is the lowest price. Highest price is
2277.
Very good. Return
286%.
86%. The last one is okay. Before last one, automobile.
Tata Motors.
Hero.
Tata Motors. In 2021 March. September 2024. This is the highest return. How many percentage?
336.
Sorry, 2020 COVID time. The price is almost 80-70 rupees. How many percentage?
1,800. Huge profit.
1,800 percentage. Okay, then round up. The last one is IT sector. Anyone? Pick any one stock.
Infosys.
IT industry. Mindtree. Now Mindtree is converted as the L&T Mindtree. So LTI L&T Mindtree. So here the chart. 2020 March. So yes, 1,430. 7,855. The return is anyone?
435.
Yes, good. So I'm not selecting any one of the stock from out of 5-1. So you are the participants. You are only the person to select this stock. So we can select any stocks. Okay. After the session or tomorrow, you can just randomly check one or two stock in each and every sectors. Definitely, it will give minimum 50 to 100%. So each sector you can invest in 20. Now you get almost 1,800, 2,200, 2,500, 2,600, nearly 3,000% return within 4 years. It is possible in real estate or gold or FD, not at all possible. So, but you should think about the investment like this kind of stocks. The only thing is you need to analyze these kinds of stocks. You are not randomly pick any one of the stocks. Okay, so these are the top stocks in these top 5 sectors. You can just randomly back check in after the session or tomorrow. Definitely, you get minimum 50 to 100%.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you have set the time limit from 2020 to 2024 and
2020 to 24.
Yes, sir. From 2020 to 2024, and you have marked the lowest price and highest price, sir. But how did you calculate the returns, sir? I mean, from where did you click and where did you place to find the actual return?
From low to high.
That is from the red candle to the topmost green candle.
Yes. Yes. Within the 4 years, which one is the lowest price and which one is the highest price? We obviously buy the lowest price. We obviously buy the highest, sell the highest price. Correct.
Yes, sir.
But what is your question? I think I capture your mind wise. Sir, how do you correctly exactly buy at low price, exactly sell at the high price? Correct.
No, sir. Actually, how did you find the return percentage? That is a profit percentage.
The return percentage is very simple, sir. You just where you are going to buy, just click the just put on this in the tool and just track it. Which point of view you're going to buy? That is, we're going to sell. Just click it. This indicator will show how many percentage how many days we're going to take this kind of profit, how many points, everything it will be shown.
So from clicking from 14302 to 7855, we will get 448.25.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now I got it clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
But it is my question also, sir. How you get the exactly buy at the low price and exactly sell at the high price? It is how it is possible, sir? We are all humans, not robots. So how we can find out? This is a normal question to all of you, but I'm not conclude. You can get the all these 3,000%. Okay, it is not at all possible. At least you can divide it into two. 3,000 divided into two.
1,500.
It is possible, no? We are not able to catch the correct sell point, correct buy point, but at least we can buy and sell between this scenario. At least we'll get the 50%, means you get the 1,500%. 1,500% within a 4 years, a good return or best return?
Best return.
Best return.
Not a good return, not a best return. It is an excellent return. Okay, so but these 3,000% practically is not possible. Okay, but at least you can divide by 2 or divide by 4. 3,000 divided by 4. What's the output? 750. Correct.
750.
At least we get 600 to 700% within a 4 years. Means it is a very, very, very great, excellent return. Okay, practically 3,000% is not possible, but 500 to 600% is possible. But again, it's based on your mindset, knowledge, and money management. So double top and double bottom is the one of the another one main important technical analysis, but we'll discuss on tomorrow. So if you have any doubts in this section, we can ask them. Yeah, the question is stop loss. The stop loss is based on your time frame, your target. Best example, how to find out the stop loss is you always fix it as your RR. RR means risk reward. Okay, for example, you can buy a stock like 10 rupees mean your profit example is 10% means what is the 10% of 10 rupees? Anyone?
1.
Yeah, good. So you book your profit at 11 rupees. You got it. Similarly, if your profit is 10% means your stop loss is always into divide by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5%. What is the 5% of 10? Yes, what is the 5% of 10 rupees? 50 paisa, correct?
0.50.
50 paisa. So your stop loss is 9.50. Target is 11 rupees. Your buying point is 10 rupees. Clear, guys? Your stop loss is 0.5%. Target is 1 rupees for the price of 10 rupees stock. So your risk reward is 1:2. Risk is 1%. Reward is 2%. For initial traders, freshers, if you have some experience, you can increase the risk reward. 2:3, 3:4, 4:5. It depends on your wish. But always as an initial period, you fix on the target is 1:2. It's the simplest method. I will show you. I repeat once again. You can buy a single stock, one stock at 100 rupees. Okay. 10% of profit. What's the 10% in 100 rupees?
10.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10
10 rupees. Then what is your target price? Your investment is 100 rupees.
110.
10 rupees for your profit. Then what is your target price?
110.
110. It is the correct? This is the target price. Then your stop loss. Stop loss is 10 divided by 2. 10% profit means risk is
5.
5.
profit divided by 2. That means 10 divided by 2 equal to 5%. Correct. Now your risk means stop loss. Stop loss is 5% of stop loss is how much in 100 rupees?
5 rupees.
5 rupees. If stop loss is hit, you can risk booked at
95
rupees. This is the simple example of stop loss and the profit. If you have some experience, you can increase risk reward 1:2. It may be a 1:2:5, 3:5. You can decide your risk reward. This is called as a risk reward management. Without risk reward, you can't do the trade in stock market. It's very, very highly risky one. Always risk reward is 1:2 for beginners. Any doubt in stop loss?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If you want, you can take the snapshot of this picture because this is the base of stock market. Without stop loss, you can't survive in stock market. Okay. This is our breath of the stock market. So without stop loss, you don't trade. Don't go into a single trade. Okay. It is a very, very, very risky one. But risk rewards depends on your choice. Okay. As I am fresher, initially I take risk reward is 1:2. But if I am having a very good experience and knowledge, you can fix 1:10, 1:100, 2:50. It depends on yours. Okay. But initially, we always fix the risk reward is 1:2. Any doubts, guys?
Sir, which one do you like most? Investment or trade?
It based on your needs, sir. You
No,
have
sir.
a time.
How many years do you doing in trade?
For me, sir.
Experience? Yes, sir. Your experience. Just
Sir, I
for
have a 14
curiosity.
years. Okay, sir. I have a 14 years experience. From 2010 to 2018, I'm a zero in stock market. I have a what I'm saying. I have a there's no words to explain because that kind of losses I faced in 2010 to 18. After that, I have some experience and I'm doing some courses. After my a lot of experience and on learning more things in stock market, I started a company now going on very well. Somewhat by God grace, somewhat I can earn from this stock.
Okay, sir. Super, sir. Thanks, sir.
Sir, I can see some advertisements like they are using AI for analysis, trends, and everything for investments. Are they actually true? Is there any AI for that?
Sir, in not only stock market, you can going for any business or even any scenario at money based. You don't believe on the machines because machines they have no emotion, no psychological things. But as a human, we have an emotion, we have a psychological thing. So machine does not understand the our emotion and the psychological what we have background. So they are simply buy and sell. Okay. In algorithm trading, we are simply said if we have a crores of money or lakhs of money, we go for the algorithm trading. Otherwise, as a manual trading is the best one. Why I'm saying is, in algo trading, the first day as a machine, as a first day, they give the as a first day you have the 10 lakh rupees loss means what happened? If you have a backup, there's no issue. Maybe second day or third day, the same algo trading will give return 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs, even 1 crore rupees. There's no problem. There's no issue. But that kind of money, if you have, means you go for algo trading. I trust you understand.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Maybe it's a really silly question.
No, sir.
Sir, for somebody who is 65 years old, for example, I'm getting close to that, and we know stock market is the way to go next 5 years or whatever. Banks are not giving interest, and some of my friend advise that there are, I mean, I'm not very computer savvy, for example. I know the basics. I'm not good, and I don't want to. I mean, it is not that I want money without putting my time, but it is not sometimes practically possible for 60, 65, 70-year-old now to learn and keep up with the cost. He said there is a financial planner, or I don't know who. He said even he don't have time. He is young. He is in company. So he says he has there are some people around. I don't know what they call brokers or something. They have access and all, and they buy mutual fund. They play with they help you do the investments and everything, and you can just watch them. What would be your advice for somebody who is 65-year-old, for example, sir?
Okay, sir.
How
Actually,
to
it's a very
make
good
money
question.
out of the money?
Yes, sir. It's a very good question. The first point.
Sorry to ask that, because that is
No,
the
no, sir.
question
No,
which
it is not a silly question, sir. It's a very good question. It's useful for all the
Thank you.
participants. The first one is
Thank you,
age
sir.
is not a okay. Age is just a number. Until end of our life, we can learn. It's a very good opportunity for all the human beings. Okay, so age is just a number. Second one, for trading in stock market, there is a no need of in-depth of knowledge of computer. There is a no need. Just a mobile or tab or just a laptop. You can just know how to buy or sell. We can use the. We can do it in the trading in stock market. There is a no need to much of depth knowledge of computer science. This is the answer of your second question. And third, very, very important question. It is for all the participants, including myself. Even though if you have a brother or sister or a relation or friends, anyone, if you ask the money to get the, they are assured, they give the money, I put in the stock market and give some return means. And simply said, no. Try to avoid these kinds of people. Maybe the people you have, that kind of people have a brother or sister or relative or friends or whatever it is. But this is my money. Even though profit or loss, I am the owner of my money. I'm not dependent on anyone. For example, if you're giving the 1 lakh rupees to me, every month I give the 5,000 rupees, our relationship will well and good. Okay. After 6 months or 1 year,
Yes.
I'm not able to get the money or I'm not able to return the good profit to you means our relationship will break. Are you accept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but most of the relationship in the world are break only reason of money. So even 1 rupee profit, you are the owner of the profit. If you 1 rupee loss, you are the owner of the loss because money is yours. Don't depend on
Yes, sir.
anyone. This is my
Sir,
this is
thank
my view, sir. Maybe I'm wrong. This is my view.
No, you're not wrong, sir. Sir, only question is, you are right, like you explained step by step computer knowledge. But what I have seen these sessions are like this technical analysis, like going that uptrend, downtrend. Is it okay? Is it possible to learn that easily, or because it was little overwhelming? I was watching that uptrend, downtrend, sideways. When to buy like 3 years when I'm
simple things, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I know. I try to understand your question. The answer is simple things, sir. Only 2 points. First, based on your interest. Second, based on your time allocation. And third one, based on your how much you are involved in the particular things. For example, chart analysis or candlesticks, whatever it is. You are based on your involvement on the particular scenario. And repeat once again, based on your interest, based on your allocating your time, and third one is based on your utilization.
So what would be the timeline if somebody like me has to learn these things properly? Roughly on an average for this type of age group, 60 to 70, what would be your
Sir, if you
suggestion?
are
How much
really
time would I have?
interested, sir, Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you are really interested, if you are really ready to
Yes.
spend your time, means if you are getting really is a good teacher. Good teacher means uh, good person to teach in this topic means within a week or within a 3 to 4 days you can learn the stock market. This is the basic requirements of the stock market. I'm not to say you can cover all the stock market material. It is not at all possible because stock market like a
Yes.
sea. No one to can learn all the things,
Yes, sir.
but you can learn what you need within 3 to 5 days. It is enough based on your involvement, based on your time management, based on your who will handle the instruction.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry I'm taking the time from other participants, but now when I'm looking in the webinars, I attended some. Which one is the right knowledge? I don't know. Some people charging 50,000 rupees for 3-week course. Some people charging 10,000 for 3-month course. I don't know what they're going to teach and what to do. And then I don't want to blow up some savings which I have. So I'm totally lost.
Yes, sir.
You know, you are right. But what is that 3-day? What I need? How do I know as a beginner this course was really for beginner? So what I really need, I don't mind 30 days instead of 3 days you want to learn. But who will be the right mentor to understand what somebody like me needs and how I will be successful in getting even 3% per month? That would be the excellent return for me. Not
Yes, yes,
not
yes.
100%. I don't know how I
That's-
can. Maybe in the end after session we can get in touch or something. If you can put some light for somebody like this. Thank you.
Yeah, sir, sure. If any doubts or any clarification, anyone can ping me. There is no problem. And Anushka Vigneshi ma'am is raised the hand. Ma'am, you can ask any doubt.
Thank you, sir. Thank.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, one more doubt. Now we are
Yes.
seeing lot many people using AI. They are able to show us the resistance, support, today's price for intraday or selling or buying, anything like that. Is it really true, or can we rely on those data? Because it
No,
is
sir.
based on AI,
It's
right? So it is based on history. Yeah. Yes, sir. Please.
It's a right one. It's not a fake or wrong one. But the simple answer for your question is whether you are willing to drive your own car or it may be automatic driving or you want to invest.
Okay. Right. Oh, I got the answer, sir.
Yes, that's all. Sir.
Right. Right, sir. Right. Right. Thank you.
I think Anushka ma'am is raising the hand from the long period. Ma'am? Sir, any doubts? Or we can wind up this today's session. Varshini ma'am?
Thank you, sir. It's a time for wind up. Actually, our
Yes, sir,
scheduled
thank you.
time is 8:30, and now it's for 8:40. Okay. Thank
No
you for
problem,
all
sir.
the